Hey food fans, welcome back to Then We Eat. This week we'll be doing some steamed mussels. So this week we actually had hoped to be outside and show you some mussels on the barbecue. Unfortunately, Mother Nature and the forest fires in Canada haven't helped us at all. The air quality is so bad we don't even go outside. You can't see anything. It's just awful. I'm sure a lot of you down in the States have experienced it too. So anyway, the bottom line is we've changed up our plan. We're still going to do mussels, but in this case we're going to steam them. The very first thing with mussels that you want to do, these happen to come from PEI, is to give them a wash and then just make sure that they're all closed. So if this is open here, then just give it a tap, and if they're still alive, it'll close. If it's not still alive, toss it. You don't want to eat it. And the other ones that you want to get rid of are any ones that are broken. I don't know what they do to them in the packaging, but there's normally a few that are smashed. So we're going to get rid of all the ones that won't open or that are open, and any ones that are broken, and then the rest of them we'll throw in the pot. You also may find a few with little straggly seaweed. You can just normally pull that off. It will come off when they steam as well. All right, so once you pick through the mussels, we had about 4 broken ones and maybe 2 that were bad. They weren't a big deal. So, and generally you won't get a whole lot that aren't any good. Just make sure you check the expiration date and make sure that you get the date that they actually came out of the water. In our case, they came out of the water the day before yesterday. Okay, so we don't want to drown these in water. All we're going to do is we're going to add about a half a cup of white wine. Easy peasy. Nice dry white wine would be good, and remember, if you can't drink it, don't cook with it. And maybe, say about 2 cloves of garlic. Maybe a little more. We're going to turn on the convection now so we get a little loud, but bottom line is you want to cook these just till they open. No longer. Just till they open and they're cooked. If you leave them much longer, they're going to get really rubbery. So we'll just let that come up to temperature, get the wine into steam, and we should be good. So it's been 2 or 3 minutes and we're just about done. As a matter of fact, we probably are done now. Yes, we are. So we're going to take them off the heat. And we're just going to strain them out. We want the broth that's inside, so we're just going to strain them out, put them aside for a minute while we make a little sauce to go with them. Okay, so we're just going to return the broth that was the wine and the bit of broth that comes out of the mussels back into the pan. We're going to add about 3/4 of a cup of your favorite broth. You can use vegetable, you can use seafood, you can use chicken. And about 1/4 of a cup of cream. And a little bit of black pepper. You do want this to cook down some just to thicken it up. The other thing that I should point out is once they're cooked, you're going to do the reverse of what you did when you put them in the pot. Anything that didn't open is no good, throw it away. Okay, so once you've got your sauce down to about the consistency you like, we're going to add the zest of a lemon and the juice of a lemon. And because these are lemon pepper, we're going to add a little bit more pepper as well. And we'll just give that a bit of a stir. And pop the mussels back in. Now I've already picked through these, and as it turned out, there wasn't any that were bad, so we're good. Just give those a bit of a stir around, put some sauce into everywhere, and that's it. We're done. So we'll just maybe plate a little up and give them a taste. Okay, so there you have it. We've shown you a really quick way to do mussels. As I say, unfortunately, we would have loved to barbecue them for you, but we'll show you that another time. And in the meantime, we have a nice bowl of mussels with some lemon pepper. So let's give these a taste, see how they are. Very tasty. I mean, what can you say? There's garlic, white wine, pepper, and lemon. A little bit of cream. Tastes really good. Oh, and while I think of it, if you could like this video, if you liked it, and subscribe, it really does help us. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, and it'll let you know every time that we release a new video. We always put the ingredients down in the description, so you can follow along in the video and still have a list of the ingredients that you require. So remember, first we cook, then we eat. They're so good.